Hello! If you go into Instagram, you've probably noticed this feature with the two swirly arrows. This is the official Instagram repost button. No more screenshots, no third-party apps, no sharing to your story and have it disappear in a day, because Instagram has launched this built-in way to repost pictures and videos, photos or reels, directly to your feed. This feature is a game changer for creators like us, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it step by step so you can start sharing your favourite reels and posts. Let me know in the comments if this is a good feature for you, and let's take the first step, which is to find the public reel or post that you want to share. This feature only works on public accounts. Underneath the post that you like, you will see the familiar icons, the like button, comments button and share button, which has a paper airplane icon. Next to the share button, there's this new button. It looks like a square with two arrows circling around it. It's a bit like the retweets button on Twitter. That's the Instagram repost button, so let's go ahead and tap on it. Once we've hit the repost button, this small thoughts bubble pops up over the post. This is where we can add a short note or comment, which is similar to quoting a tweet. We can type up to 60 characters sharing our thoughts on the thing we're reposting. This is also where we can delete the repost if we change our mind. We could just click on the delete here. When we're happy with the note, just hit save. If we want to delete this repost from our feed, all we do is click on the repost arrows where that check mark is, and if I press on that, the tick is removed, so the repost and my comment is deleted from my feed. If you want to repost an Instagram video reel, it's very similar. Just look for the swirly arrows at the bottom of the icons on the right hand side here. Bear in mind, you can only repost things by the original creator. You can't repost a repost. But what if you want to find all the things you've reposted? Just go to your profile page. You'll notice there's a new tab on your profile alongside your regular posts, reels and tagged photos. Tap on this tab and you'll see a dedicated collection of every single post you've reposted. From here, you can also manage your reposts, including the option to remove them if you change your mind. Just go in and untick the icon there. This is good. To bulk delete reposts, go back into your profile, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, scroll down to your activity. On this list, click on reposts, and here you can long press on all the reposts you want to delete. Congratulations! Your post is successfully reposted to your feed, which means your followers will now see it with the original creator's username clearly credited. The original creator is also notified when you repost their content, which is a great way to show them some love. This is a crucial step for creators and anyone concerned about their content. What about controlling who can repost your photos and videos? I'll show you. Just go into your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner to open the menu, which is settings and activity. Scroll down to the sharing and reuse option, and here we can control how we allow people to share our content. These are all the ways viewers can share your Instagram stuff, and these buttons toggle on and off just by pressing them. So it's really easy to stop reposts on posts and reels or enable that sharing again, all by just pressing on this button. It's a great way to maintain control over who can reuse and create with your content. What do you think? Say hi in the comments below, and as you've reached this point in the video, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, and you'll get to see all my videos about how I'm earning tens of thousands of dollars just by making content. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.